Welcome to our guide on car care essentials. The best pump sprayer for detailing ensures precise application of cleaners, foams, and coatings, helping you achieve professional results. Today, we'll highlight the top options that make detailing easier and more effective. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SPTA Pump Sprayer. The SPTA pump sprayer is an excellent choice for car owners who want an easy and efficient way to handle detailing tasks. With its 2.25-liter capacity, it provides enough solution to clean large areas without frequent refills. The electric pressurization system eliminates the need for manual pumping, allowing you to generate rich foam at the press of a button. It comes with two nozzle types, one for spraying foam and another for clean water, giving you flexibility depending on your cleaning needs. Made from environmentally friendly acid and alkali-resistant materials, the sprayer is durable and safe for different solutions. Its lightweight, portable design means you don't need a bulky hose, foam gun, or pressure washer to achieve professional cleaning results. Whether at home or on a road trip, this sprayer is easy to carry and quick to assemble, making it practical for removing dirt, grime, and stains at any time. Its combination of convenience, portability, and high performance makes it a smart investment for anyone who values efficiency in car detailing. Overall, the SPTA pump sprayer saves time, reduces effort, and ensures your vehicle stays spotless with minimal hassle.
Number 2. Adams Pump Sprayer. Adams Pump Sprayer, also referred to as the foam cannon, is designed for detailers who want a professional-level cleaning experience. With its dual adjustable spray fans, brass and stainless steel fittings, and foaming nozzle, it delivers consistent performance and durability. It holds over 32 ounces of liquid, creating thick foam layers that cling to your car, loosening dirt and reducing the risk of scratches. For added convenience, Adams 16-ounce bottles can be attached directly, minimizing setup time. The sprayer works with a pressure washer, combining water and soap to generate powerful foam that makes cleaning fast and effective. Adams backs the product with a satisfaction guarantee, demonstrating confidence in its quality. For car enthusiasts who demand reliable performance, this pump sprayer provides both convenience and results. While it requires a pressure washer to function, the efficiency and quality of foam it produces make it a top pick for those serious about detailing.
Number 3. Kweetle Pump Sprayer. The Kweetle Pump Sprayer is built for durability and versatility with its full stainless steel construction. Every major component, from the tank and pump handle to the rod and hose, uses stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting resistance to wear, corrosion, and chemical damage. With a 1.5-gallon capacity and adjustable pressure range between 1.5 to 4.0 bar, it offers strong performance for automotive, gardening, and household cleaning needs. The wide mouth opening makes filling and cleaning hassle-free, reducing spills and mess. This sprayer adapts to multiple applications with ease. Its strong hose and Viton seals add extra reliability, especially when handling various chemicals. Portability and rugged construction make it a solid choice for users who need a sprayer that can withstand heavy-duty work. Overall, the Kweetle Pump Sprayer delivers professional-grade performance in a compact and reliable design, making it a dependable companion for both car enthusiasts and general household use.
Number 4. Solo Pump Sprayer. The Solo Pump Sprayer combines durability, versatility, and efficiency, making it a standout option for those needing a reliable detailing tool. Built with a high-density polyethylene, or HDPE tank, it resists UV rays, impact, and corrosion while maintaining a lightweight feel. The transparent design makes it easy to monitor liquid levels, while chemical-resistant EPDM seals and Viton seals ensure compatibility with a wide range of cleaning solutions, which allows pressurization via a compressor in addition to manual pumping. This makes the Solo sprayer pressurized faster, up to 50% quicker than competitors. An automatic pressure relief valve enhances safety, preventing overpressurization, while giving you the option to manually release pressure when desired. Easy to fill and clean with its wide 4.5-inch opening, the Solo pump sprayer is ideal for professional detailers and DIY users alike. Its strength, adaptability, and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition to any detailing kit.
Number 5. ASTRWK Pump Sprayer. The ASTRWK pump sprayer is a professional-grade solution designed with durability and precision in mind. Unlike many competitors that use plastic parts, this sprayer features full stainless steel construction across all components, including the tank, wand, nozzle, and pump handle. This makes it highly resistant to corrosion and ensures reliable long-term use. Its 20-inch stainless steel wand extends beyond standard length, allowing easier access to hard-to-reach areas during detailing or cleaning. The adjustable nozzle provides versatility, with its Viton O-rings providing strong resistance against oils and chemicals. It's built to handle tough jobs reliably. The ASTRWK pump sprayer stands out as a durable, multi-purpose option that combines robust construction with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for demanding tasks. These top pump sprayers make detailing faster, easier, and more precise. Each offers durability, performance, and convenience for different needs. Choose the one that fits your style and enjoy spotless results every time. Check the description for links to today's picks and keep your car shining effortlessly.